I'm sitting here outside. It's probably about 100 degrees. I haven't checked the weather, but it is. I'm in this big. I found this big patch of shade right outside the house, which I'm really lucky for. So I'm sitting in the shade. Look at the sky. Look how pretty it is. And we got a full moon tonight too. I'm so excited. Well, I'm gonna stay out of that full moon energy because this one is nuts. It's gonna bring all the crazies out. But anyway, look how beautiful the sky is. Ooh, look at the airplane. Ooh, it looks like it's about to land. It's definitely coming down. Oh, wait. Does that airplane look like it's falling? What the fuck? Wait a minute. That motherfucker look like it's falling, huh? Where'd it go? Where did it go? I'm looking at it, but I can't see it in the camera no more. Hold on. Here it is. This looked like it was nosediving for a second. Oh, boy. I guess it's landing, but goddamn, that was scary. Ooh, that's too much.